Meet the Lycan PowerBox. Lightweight and rugged, the Lycan is the perfect storage system to power several AC and DC appliances, with features such as a floodlight and multiple charging options, including solar. The Lycan is easy to maneuver thanks to its pull rod handle and weighs in only at 55 pounds. It features a state-of-the-art replaceable lithium iron phosphate battery with a full 1,000 watt-hours of storage capacity. The Lycan can be charged by a 12-volt car outlet using a CIG port, an AC wall plug with the input port, or directly from the sun by connecting a panel to the PV port. The Lycan can provide 1,200 watts of power through any of its 4 AC outlets. DC charging is a breeze with 3 round DC ports, 4 USB outlets, and an additional 12-volt car port. To run an AC or DC appliance, you will need to specify the operating mode of the Lycan. Press the power button, and then you can select AC, DC, or both buttons to turn on that function. The bright floodlight on the top will make sure you're never left in the dark. You can externally charge an additional lithium iron phosphate battery to keep you on the move. You may also use Lycan to charge a sealed lead acid battery if needed. The Lycan PowerBox. Ready when you aren't.
Exploring nature has always been an instinct for human beings, and we all need power on our way to adventures. To bring power wherever you go and whenever you go, Swalke S270 was created. It has a built-in modified sine wave inverter that brings you 100 watts AC with peak 150 watt output, equipped with 4 DC ports with up to 180 watts power. It can be charged with solar panels, 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and AC outlet through the input port, and can be used as an emergency light. It has 4 USB ports for your mobile devices, and one of them features QC 3.0 fast charging technology. Take S270 with you and no longer need to worry about running out of power. It could even be a lifesaver during disastrous emergency. It's got everything covered for you by providing all the power you need for your family trip. Click the battery indicator button on the top. It will show you how much power it has with cool blue lights. Forget to charge it before going out? Don't worry, it can be charged with your 12-volt cigarette lighter socket while you're driving. Thanks to its DC to MC4 connector, you can even use solar panels to charge it. 12-volt DC output port plus a special cigarette lighter adapter. You can use it just like your car's cigarette lighter socket when your car's not around. Drone, camera, smartphone, car vacuum, air purifier can all be powered by S270. When the night comes, S270 can even be more useful. Last but not least, S270 features 100 watt AC output. It's like bringing your wall outlet anywhere you go. Despite its size, S270 is integrated with an MPPT solar input chip, a 15 amperes DC output, battery management system, a 150 watt rechargeable battery, and 150 watt max AC output. With powerful technologies in an incredible compact enclosure, S270 will keep your life powered up.
The Pegasus is a powerful generator built to meet the fast-growing demands for portable power supplies. The generator is aesthetically pleasing, capable of multiple ways of charging, has an extensive number of output ports, and has one of the highest total power output ratings on the market today. The Pegasus is ideal for outdoor activities and functions as an emergency, industrial, and indoor power solution. The application of the Pegasus is only limited to your imagination. It is able to charge laptops, phones, freezers, drones, cameras, projectors, and all at the same time. The LED lights can be both used for lighting and emergency SOS. The 600 watt-hour Pegasus is powerful. It can fully charge a phone over 80 times, a laptop over 10 times. It could power a lamp for over 145 hours and an electric razor for over 300 hours. The LCD screen displays battery percentage, tracks charging, and the usage of 9 independent output ports, which are capable of a total output of 500 watts.
Hello, my name is Ulises. I like to go camping. I took this out and gave it a try. It exceeded my expectations, honestly. And since it's lightweight, I could take it anywhere as I please. One time, I decided to take out my girlfriend to camping. She likes orange juice, so I decided to bring a little blender. So I just chopped up a couple of oranges, connected the blender into the Pegasus, and I'm able to give it to my girlfriend, and she's very happy. She's surprised.
With advanced technologies, Pegasus not only can be charged with a wall outlet or a car charging port with ease, but also from solar energy, which is free, sustainable, inexhaustible, and available in any environment. The Pegasus is equipped with a pure sine wave inverter and a battery management system which automatically protects your Pegasus and devices. The MPPT charging technology allows Pegasus to be charged with a wide range of input voltages, ranging from 5 to 32 volts, making the Pegasus compatible with most solar panels with universal MC4 connectors. It also shortens the charge time by 7.5 hours, 99% efficiency. Pegasus is the perfect power solution. It is the best power supply for camping. At ACO Power, our vision is to power your green life. We specialize in power generation, storage, and appliances. With Pegasus Generator, you can be sure that your next experience will be an enjoyable one.
It's a moment we all fear. We're sitting in our home, and all of a sudden, the lights go out. While a backup fossil fuel-based generator is certainly an option, it's cumbersome, loud, and has damaging effects on the environment. Fortunately, SparkBox has arrived to help you take your first steps into the future of eco-portable energy. It's a mobile and powerful electric battery with 2 AC and USB ports packing 3 kilowatts of power. Able to keep all of your devices and appliances ready and running while staying charged for up to 6 months of standby power. It will become a vital tool for small business owners looking to power their operations without relying on astronomically priced energy sources. It can charge an electric car for up to 10 miles, ensuring you'll never have to worry about getting home safe. Meanwhile, families looking for a day out can power both their small electronic devices and more powerful appliances like electric grills or sound systems. Our simple app allows you to connect through Bluetooth and keep updated on your power supply with the push of a button. Join us on Indiegogo and help us make this standard for portable power possible.